Hello everyone and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm Ruchi Bharani. So in my life, I haven't known anyone yet who does not like Rava Idli nor doesn't like Dhokla. So I thought, why not combine both of them and make Rava Idli Dhokla. So here is my Gujarati twist to the South Indian MTR Rava Idli. So let's begin. So I'm going to start with roasting 2 tablespoons of gram flour. On low heat, just roast it for about 2 minutes. Keep stirring constantly as the gram flour can brown very quickly and burn. The gram flour is nicely roasted. So I'm going to turn off the flame and remove it in a bowl. Let it cool down for a few seconds. Meanwhile, I'm going to go and get the Rava Idli mix. So I'm going to take 1½ cup of this mix. The best part is there are a lot of seasoning and as well as the tadka already there in this mix. So there's cashew nuts, dal, mustard seeds, curry leaves already present in this mix, but I'm also going to add a few more ingredients. So starting with 1 small carrot that I have grated. Next, ½ cup of fenugreek leaves or methi leaves, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons of sugar since we're adding methi leaves. You could use other vegetables like green peas, cabbage, or even some grated dudhi is fine. ½ teaspoon of ginger chilli paste, 1 teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed powder. You need not add salt because there is enough salt in the mix. Let's mix all these dry ingredients together. Now I'm going to add in ½ cup of sour curd, give it a mix. Now I'm going to add in 3/4 cup of water. And give this a good mix and make sure there are no lumps. Now this batter is ready and I'm going to let it rest for 5 minutes. I've kept some water boiling in the steamer pot and now 5 minutes are up and I need to add the last few ingredients. So juice of ½ a lemon, 1 teaspoon of fruit salt. Add it over the lemon. Mix the fruit salt quickly. And now I'm going to pour this batter in a 7 inches greased tin. You could use a 7 inches dhokla tray. Be very quick while you're doing this. Spread the batter. And now I'm going to garnish this with some roasted and coarsely cut or ground peanuts. It gives a very nice flavor and texture in the dhokla. Also sprinkle a little bit of red chilli powder and some sesame seeds. Just dab it with the spatula and this tray is ready to steam. Make sure the water is boiling completely before you add the fruit salt. Place the tray, cover and let this steam for 20 minutes. If you wish to make Rava Idlis using the MTR Rava Idli mix, the steps are: take 1 measure of the Rava Idli mix, Into that, add half a cup of sour curd and let it rest for 1 minute. Second step, add one more measure of the sour curd, mix it well, make sure there are no lumps and let it rest for 2 minutes. The third step is pour the batter in a greased idli mold and let it steam for at least 12 minutes. Unmold and serve. 20 minutes are up and now let's check on the dhokla. It's become nice and fluffy. Turn off the flame and I'm going to remove it from the pan. Let it rest for a couple of minutes. So while this is resting, I'm going to quickly make the tadka. So heat a tablespoon of oil. You could even use ghee if you wish. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add in the basic ingredients, which is mustard seeds, Asafoetida or hing and a few curry leaves. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida and a few curry leaves. Get it off the flame and just pour it over the dhokla. Give it a few seconds for the oil to be absorbed and then you can cut and serve. This looks even more authentic than I thought it would get. MTR Rava Idli mix helped me make my favorite Rava Idlis as well as the Rava Idli Dhoklas. Kyunki South Indian khana mane MTR. Do try this at home, and if you know any more recipes that you can make with MTR Rava Idli mix, please do share with us in the comment section below. Stay tuned to Rajshri Food for more such recipes, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes.